3M Wet Retroreflectivity demonstration using 3M Connected Roads All-Weather Elements Series 50. Dry marking. Bright clusters are dry retroreflective elements. Dim ones are wet retroreflective elements. When the viewing angle is lowered, the elements fill up more of the view. Adding water turns on the wet elements. The dry elements and glass beads go dim. This begins to demonstrate ASTM E 2832. Moving to an even lower viewing angle, close to that of a driver's viewing angle, the wet elements are the only highly visible optic when covered by water. With the speed increased to 4 times, the water begins to drain away and the larger glass bead at the front center becomes visible only where it has emerged from the water. This is meant to demonstrate ASTM E 2177.